Salesforce and Anthropic just merged their brands into Claudeforce. And it might be the most aggressive enterprise AI power move of the year. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Thursday, August 27, 2026. In AI News today, Salesforce and Anthropic just launched something called Claudeforce. Claude is now embedded directly inside Salesforce CRM, Agentforce, and Slack, giving it access to live customer data and AI-powered sales workflows. It's a reciprocal bet. Enterprise software goes headless, and Claude becomes the reasoning brain powering it all. This is a massive shift in how businesses will run AI. Also from Google, they've opened up Gemini 3.5 Transcribe to all developers. This is the same speech-to-text engine already powering the Rambler feature inside the Pixel 11, and Google is calling it their most precise transcription model ever. Developers can now tap into it through the API. Voice First AI just got a serious upgrade from one of the biggest players in the game. In AI infrastructure news, Anthropic just inked a $45 billion compute deal with British firm Nscale. That secures them around 460 megawatts of data center capacity in West Virginia. To put that in perspective, this is one of the single largest AI infrastructure commitments ever reported. Frontier AI doesn't just need smart models, it needs an almost incomprehensible amount of power to run them. Also in today's news, Reuters just published a major investigation into Meta's plan to replace thousands of human employees with AI virtual workers. The idea was to have small, quote, talent-dense teams oversee AI doing the bulk of daily work. It collapsed, employees pushed back hard, and the plan imploded internally. Even Zuckerberg's ambition has limits, and real human resistance is apparently one of them. Finally from Tavis, new research on AI video and onboarding automation. Individual AI touchpoints are already scoring 85 to 90% effectiveness, and real-time AI video agents are now handling policy questions, coaching sessions, and even exit interviews. The argument is simple. Onboarding doesn't have to be a slow manual process anymore. AI video is quietly reshaping how companies bring people into the fold. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about Claude as the enterprise AI brain. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.